Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this memory foam contour pillow. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. This pillow is made of high quality certified memory foam. And the actual size of the pillow is 23.6 by 13.8 by 5.3 inches. I love that we get to choose 4 different heights to customize our comfort and preference. The middle layer is adjustable and we have 4 different height options, 4.53 or 5.32 inch, or we can go with 3.35 or 4.13 inch. The memory foam is soft and comforting. This gives me flexibility depending on what is comfortable for my head and my neck. Plus, the gel infused feature helps absorb any body heat, which keeps the air flowing and comfortable throughout the night. This is especially helpful for those who might sleep on the hotter side, and this cooling memory foam pillow is a huge game changer for that. These pillows are specifically designed to gently cradle our head and neck in a comfortable position to remove any kind of pressure that might be involved so that we can have a cozy and restful sleeping experience. It works great for those who sleep on their stomachs or on their backs because it helps our head settle down closer to the mattress for spine alignment optimization. And because the soft pillows are plush and easy to compress, for stomach sleepers who might need flatter surfaces to prevent any strain that might be happening, this is also a great option. And for side sleepers, the softness of the pillow is a huge game changer to reduce any kind of overpressure that might be happening on different areas of the side of the body. If you are looking for a comfortable and portable memory foam pillow, this is definitely worth looking into.